Hi, it's Anita from Anita's Kitchen. So today I just fancied having an Oats Upma. Upma usually is a South Indian dish made with semolina, but I'm going to be using oats because it's very good for your cholesterol and it keeps you full up for a longer time. Upma is usually used for breakfast, but I tend to have this all the time. So the first thing, the ingredients that you need a handful of peanuts, a handful of yellow split peas, 1 onion chopped. You need ginger and chilies chopped as well. You can bung in any mixed vegetables that you have. And oil. We're going to use the oil to temper the spices and to roast the oats as well. And mustard seeds, cumin seeds, simple. It'll be done in about 10 minutes to the max. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be roasting the oats. For that, you need about a spoonful of oil and about a cup of oats. So you just need to roast them till they're about golden brown, not burnt. That's it. So you keep on moving your oats around because you don't want them to burn as well. So you need to do that for about a couple of minutes. There you go. And oats tend to fill you up for a longer time as well, so this is a very good dinner as well, or very good lunch as well. Move them around. Take them out in a bowl. And now we're going to temper the spices. So a bit of oil. A spoonful of mustard seeds. You need to let that crackle. Move them around. As with all the spices, when they roast, that's when all the flavors come through as well. That's it. Cover that up. Spoonful of cumin seeds. Move them around, toast it. Add your onions. I'll let that become golden brown. So this should be done in about a couple of minutes. Or you could even leave them translucent, depending on how crunchy you want your onions. Ginger. It's a very healthy, nutritious dish because you're getting your vitamins as well in there, and your yellow split peas to give an added crunchiness. Just roast that a bit. Need to add your peanuts in. Your vegetables in. So now you can see all these things are sizzling away and you can smell the nice aromas coming through as well. Put your oats in, mix that around. Need about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Let that roast for a bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this up with boiling hot water. Just cover it up. Don't put too much. You just need to keep an eye on the water as it cooks. And that's going to be cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes, and I'll see you in a bit. As you see, all the water's evaporated and it is ready to plate up. All the wonderful colors, all the wonderful goodness in here. So what you need to do is just garnish it with a bit of coriander, and the way I eat it is I just drizzle a bit of lemon in it on the side. There you go, guys. This is my Oats Upma. Do try it, enjoy it, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.